am so excited for him to see my hair. Like, my baby's gonna flip. So today's wig is from Wesface Hair Wigs, and the packaging is absolutely gorgeous in this chrome pink box. So gorgeous. Inside you get goodies. You get a wig cap. You get 2 linen pastel colored scrunchies. You get some faux lashes. I wouldn't focus, so I'm sorry about that. But you also get an edge brush as well as a custom Wesface elastic band to tie down your edges. And this is the 13x4 lace front wig. It's the highlight piano color, and it is straight. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. It's 26 inches and 250% density. So now we are going to be getting into the install. So I tightened the adjustable straps and cut the lace off camera, and it fit perfect. I didn't even have to cut where the ears were. Like, it literally fit perfect. So to secure the wig to my head, I'm going to be using an Even Wonder Lace Bond wig spray, and I just spray it along the hairline and then I blow dry it. I put hot, but I forgot I'm supposed to be using cold. Cold is going to get you the best results. I repeated that to the right side after I finished the left side, and I made sure I used the comb to kind of, like, you know, stick the lace down a little bit more. And then I went in when it was nice and secure to my head. I went in and I straightened my middle part out, and then I used my hot comb on the top because I didn't want any baby hair for this install. Then I went in and I kind of like separated the hair into 2 sides, so it's the left side and the right side. I took my face powder and then I applied it to my parting space for a more realistic look. I wanted it to be my complexion. Okay, and then I went out and brushed my hair out again, and I separated into 2 sections. And using my big curling iron, I curled my hair away from my face on both sides, starting from the back. I start from the back because the back is the hardest part to get to. And when I start from the back, I just have all of my hair to the front. That way, when I finish the curl, I could just push it back and it'll be out of my way. And this helps prevent you from having loose strands of hair that did not get curled. So that's my method. I've been doing it for years. Okay, and I'm speeding through this because we've seen so many of these videos where I curl my hair. So I'm just giving you like a few. I don't feel like you need to sit down and watch me curl every single piece. So that's why we're just going to speed it up a little bit. Okay, and I'm showing you just enough so that you get what I'm doing. But if anyone needs like a more thorough tutorial on curling hair, please just let me know and that'll be something I'll do. Okay, so now that we are at the top, this is the last curl. We're gonna go in. Sometimes I feel like when I do one side, the other side be a little bit more loose when I'm finished. So I'll go in and add like a tighter curl to the other side that I did first. So that's what you're gonna see me do here. And if you want a more, you know, if you want more of a hold, you can always go in with some type of hairspray, but not me. I just wanted something soft and light. Okay. So after I was done, I finger combed it and then I brushed it for a more flawless look with a looser curl. So these were my results, and I think it is so beautiful. I have never been this happy with a colored unit ever. Like, when I say I am so in love, like this chocolate with the blonde is just perfect. If you're someone who is afraid of color, this would be perfect because it's only a little bit of blonde highlights at the top. So yeah. Yeah, so this is the finished shot, and we are going to get into the specs and my first thoughts on this unit after I finish styling it. Okay, so I'm back, and this is my finished look. I did go in and I brushed the hair out for more like relaxed, loose type of feeling, and I love it. It just looks, it literally makes me feel like I just got off of a shoot, like a photo shoot or a show, and they were like, I was in a green room and the green screen, and they were interviewing me, and I was just talking shit. Okay, that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling real glammed out. I absolutely love this wig. Oh my god, my babe is going to flip. Tonight is date night, and we're going to this like little this Mexican spot because I really am craving chicken tacos, and when he sees my hair, he's going to flip out. Like, he barely sees me with color hair. So yeah, I'm excited for him to see this unit because it is gorgeous. Yes, this hair is from Wesface. This is my first time working with this company, and I am so impressed. Like, I am so impressed with everything, from talking to the representative to literally getting a unit to styling this hair up. It is just literally perfection. Like, there is no cons that I can give you about this hair. This is their 13x4 piano color wig, and they call it piano color because, as you can see, it's like a chocolate, and then within it has like these stripes of like blonde, and it does not look cheesy. Like, when you hear piano colors, it's like, you know, this does not look cheesy. It's literally highlights and lowlights, and I love that they didn't bring it all the way up. They gave it a little bit of, like, you know, just, oh my god, it's just literal perfection. When I say they colored the hell out of this hair, they did an amazing job, and the hair does not feel dried out. It doesn't feel like, you know, damaged or anything. It feels so healthy. This is really fine silky hair, so I did opt to get 250% density because I do have 26 inches of hair. So you do want to make it a little thicker if you're going to go longer, especially because it's straight fine hair, okay, and because it is colored as well. So there is minimal shedding, no matting, no tangling, no snagging. Need I say more? I'm gonna bring a rating because this literally needs to get a 30 out of 10, okay? This is my favorite unit this year. Maybe for the last 2 years, this might be my favorite unit. Like, it is just so freaking healthy and beautiful. When I washed the unit this time, after I let it air dry, I actually went in and blow dried it to give it a little bit more texture so that when I curled it, it would stay. And I think that was a great idea. I really love the way this hair styled. It was just so effortless. Like, I would definitely say go get this wig, like, period. Like, what are we still talking about here? I'm putting y'all on. This is it. Like, run and go get it before it is sold out, because she is absolutely amazing. If you wanted some chocolate hair and you wanted some highlights, I would definitely recommend this hair. Beautiful, so healthy. Like, it is just so healthy. I can't believe how healthy it is for colored hair. Like, it's just absolutely amazing, and I would definitely recommend it. I will buy it. Girl, I would buy it, okay? If I saw this review, I would go and buy it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna have the links to Wesface, this unit, everything you need to know will be down in the bottom bar. And if y'all have any questions for me, I know you can always ask me in the comments. Let's chat. I love y'all. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.